Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very beautiful plant called ice flower. It is a flowering plant, succulent flowering plant which gives so many blooms. That is, it is full of flowers throughout the winter, and as the sun comes up the flower blooms. It has fleshy leaves. These are succulent type and they retain moisture in them, and there is a frost like particles on these leaves. That is why these are called ice flowers. And these flowers, they can be grown in very little pots, and a very little space is required because they grow from a single very soft stem, or you can say the base is a single stem which is just taking very little space. So many plants are grown in a single pot, and they flourish and bloom, and they look so beautiful. They are always so many flowers blooming, hundreds of flowers blooming in a single pot. And just see, these flowers, they can be grown in a little, very little space, and they no need to fertilize them, no need to water them very often. Just you grow them and they will come out very well. From seeds you can grow them even. And see, their cuttings can also be just planted and they will give blooms in winter season. So these are portulacas of winter season, as portulacas are these flowers which just bloom in when the sun comes up, and they just close when the sun goes down. Same as is here in winter season. These ice flowers, as the sun comes up, it's afternoon at 12 o'clock, they just start blooming, and as the evening comes they just close. It is now evening and they are going to close. So just I made a quick video to show you that how little space they take, and in so many plants you can grow in a single pot. They don't require any fertilizer. Poor soil can make them grow well, and they can be grown between petunias, and they can be grown in a little space, in dog flower pots, anywhere. They just hang out, and the base is very little, very base is a stem, very delicate stem. They are hardy, but they see, the leaf is fleshy. They are hardy. Base is a single stem which is delicate, and see, it is a single stem which is delicate, and whole plant is just hanging outward, and from a single base and branching, and the base part is delicate. Otherwise the plant is very hardy. Even if you grow the cuttings, they will grow very well, and if you break the plant, then also it will grow from the base very quickly. So this plant is a hardy plant. I can show you the pictures. These are the pictures which I took when the sun was when it was afternoon, and they were blooming. They were very erect and fully open, and they look so beautiful that you will grow them every year. Each and every year you will grow them. Just put the seeds in the soil and see how the hairy like structures come up, and then they'll soon grow and they'll become such full-fledged plants. And so many colors are there in these flowers. So many colors of flowers are there. They are come from There are so many colors in this ice flower. These are so many plants I've grown in a single pot. They need a very little space to grow. So in a single pot you can grow so many colors of plants, and they look so nice to your eyes, and refreshing, soothing in winters. And they can grow very well, very quickly from seeds, and no maintenance is needed. Just they like to grow erect in sun, and flowers just fully open in sun, and uh, as the sun it is afternoon, they just grow, they just bloom, and you can enjoy them, and they close when the sun sets, and next day then they again bloom, and you can sow them, you can grow them among other flowers, dog flower, petunias. You can grow them and they'll come very well in a very little space. They can hang out of the pot, and they look very well, they look so beautiful. So try to grow them, you will succeed. And they can be easily grown from seeds and cuttings also, and they look so beautiful in hanging baskets. See, now the sun is setting, so these are closing, and they will close, and next day they will open again. What a beauty is this in this flower.